Last US exit. There's no turning back now.
All right, here we go to Canada.
Hope you hit all the drugs.
What?
2 hours later.
Oh man, well, we had to go inside. Corinne had a little bit of a problem getting in.
I've had a past.
Apparently, they've searched our vehicle. We're clean. Christine, don't think that this was gonna slow us down. We're coming for you.
Oh, I think this is it. This is her house right here.
Jesus Christ, it stretches the whole block.
How did she paint her whole entire house hollow?
I don't even know if that's up to code. This is like some Shane Dawson real life is simply nailogical shit
Oh,
that's going on right now.
maybe that should be the video.
We're gonna expose the shit out of her right now.
Expose!
Hey!
You motherfuckers over the border!
Barely.
It was a close
Here
one.
in Canada, we say, hey!
Hey! You like my beautiful Canadian tuxedo? I wore this just for you.
Do you want to tell her or should I?
What? I thought this is what you guys wear over here.
You want the house tour?
This is where the magic happens right here. Wow, that's a lot of nail polish.
It's not really like that much. Because the shelves aren't full. Shelves are not full.
Spoken like a true addict.
Wow, look at all the soundproofing in here.
Wow. Does that work? Oh my god, why?
No, it's more for bangers.
Sometimes I come down here and just scream.
Yeah, yeah, I can see that. I can see that. Yeah. Seriously though, where are the cats?
Welcome to our home. Would you like a banana?
What is going on here? This is a lot of bananas.
Would you like a drink?
You know I would want a drink. Okay then.
Canadian, Canada,
Huh.
Canadian. Can I interest you in some maple syrup?
You know you can. So wait, Canadians actually take shots of maple syrup?
Are you gonna pour one for Zyler?
Yeah, Zyler needs some.
Oh my goodness, this is really happening.
Cheers! Welcome to Canada!
Okay.
That's sweet.
Fucking yes, bitch!
What percentage of alcohol is this? I'm already feeling buzzed.
100% maple. I got you a present. Christmas came early. Get dressed, bitches.
All right, we're coming down. You ready?
We're ready.
Huh?
Wow, you look great.
What do you think?
Oh my god, I love it. I'm officially Canadian now. Repeat after me. Moi je suis idiot.
Moi, je suis idiot.
Bravo, bravo.
Wait, we also have to have poutine.
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 Most importantly, I think we need to eat some beaver, you know what I mean? Beaver tail, right? That's a thing.
It is, yes.
Well, we'll go to the market and chase some tail.
All right.
Let's do it.
Oh, here we are. We're getting a little taste of Canada right here.
You want to see the poutine dance?
Oh, shit. Oh, what the?
Oh, it's stringy.
Stringy cheese.
Wow. Oh, there he is. Mr. Putin.
Thank you.
Holy shit.
Poutine mountain right here.
Get a little cheese pull.
Oh yeah. What do you think?
Woo.
This is part of your citizenship ceremony.
This is classic though. The thick cut fries, the cheese curds, not like mozzarella stringy cheese, it's real cheese curds.
He has no idea.
What?
I see the rainbow Canada on your shirt, so I think we should make rainbow poutine.
So wait, you want to make this rainbow?
How can you improve on perfection?
Why not?
DIY giant poutine.
Poutine mountain.
Oh my
Poutine
god.
mountain.
This is what happens when you get 4 YouTubers together.
They don't shut the fuck up.
Ah, look at all of us.
This is exciting. Rainbow poutine. This has never been done before, I don't think.
You know how to make this?
Not at all.
I just feel like people are staring at me, wearing all this Canadian gear.
You look like an asshole.
What are all these things? Banana holders.
Oh, I think you definitely need some of those.
You need like 20 of these though.
You need more.
Oh, this is what we need right here.
It's only $1,200.
So it's $1,200.
Wow. Canadian though.
Oh yeah, that's like,
Nothing.
wrap one of these up.
It's gonna be epic.
It's gonna be something.
Epic meal time. They're Canadian, eh?
Yeah. Low blaws. The f is a low blah?
Loblaw.
This is the grocery store I used to work at. I used to stock the milk in the back corner there.
Bananas.
Ben, you want some bananas? Ben.
Pure white.
Pure white.
Pure white potatoes is what we need.
Yeah, this is a good looking bag potato.
Oh, there he is. Hey, Dad. Bend over, Dad. Bend over.
Come on now.
Are these dad jeans? What makes them dad jeans? The socks.
You think you're better than me?
You better believe it. Are these them? $10.99 for a bag of cheese dicks? Well, yeah, that's fine. That's a lot.
I told you, right? You good. This is fine.
I mean, equivalent to like cheese to potatoes.
That's what I'm saying.
Mom, Dad, stop fighting.
Oh, you saw it here first. You saw it here
hey,
first.
no,
Hey.
You're so warm. Oh, so nice.
How old are you? Woo! Here we are, rainbow poutine day number 2.
I think you guys need to see how I've successfully converted Corinne into being a sweatpants bitch.
I've acclimated.
And I got mine on too, obviously.
Have you ever made poutine before? So are you a real Canadian?
No,
What?
I
It's
don't
the
know
first
how.
time.
Did you Google it? Because
We did not Google it.
Oh.
Welcome to the Roots cooking show. Somehow we thought that it was going to be a good idea to make some rainbow poutine.
Is that how you say it?
Poutine.
We say poutine.
Poutine's fine. That's right.
See, thank you, Ben. I feel like it's a pretty straightforward process. We got this fancy potato cutter thing. It's industrial. Oh my goodness. Okay. So I think if you and Ben handle the potatoes, because we don't want Christine to break her money makers.
Nope.
Maybe we can do the cheese because we're a little cheesier.
Yeah. I'm taste testing the cheese curds over here. They are delicious. Good job, Canada.
Nice squeaky. Can you hear the squeaks when you're chewing? That's a sign of a good cheese.
Are those
Oh, yeah?
potatoes?
Yeah, Canadian cows making squeaky cheese.
Don't
All right.
ruin Christine and Ben's new kitchen, Rob.
Too late.
Yeah,
We're already
Rob.
in it.
Oh yeah, that's gonna be hard. This is a 3% job.
All right, here we go. This is what happens when you buy the wrong potato presser.
Oh my god.
So it's to hold the
Yeah,
potato.
that's not gonna work.
That's not gonna work. Here we go. Here we go.
Sure?
Yeah. No, no.
Oh my gosh.
If we hold 2. You like really need a lot
It's
of
going.
pressure. Yeah.
Harder.
Like almost, yeah, there you go.
Oh.
Wow.
All right, only got to do that another 200 more times.
Oh my god. Yeah, you need some muscle. Get
right.
Ben in here.
Get it, bud.
Teamwork, Ben. Teamwork.
Wow, that's a lot of
potatoes.
potatoes. We have our famous cheese curds here.
Smells very rich. Just like Canada's natural resources. Rich.
Wow. Those are good.
I think that's a little too big of a cheese curd in there. You may want to,
Oh yeah?
yeah.
You want it back?
She needs your help.
It's too funny to watch. Which color would you like?
Purple. No wait, I'm blue, you're purple.
Oh yeah, duh. Obviously.
Wow.
Oh, that looks so pretty. It looks like a cheese galaxy.
Yes. Wow. Check that out. Now that's blue cheese.
Check that. Ah! Yeah.
You're so cheesy.
Ooh, red's scary.
Why'd you?
Just a bit.
It looks like hot fried Cheetos.
Look, it's perfect.
Oh.
Oh, sh**.
Thank the Lord. Christine's gonna kill me. Wow, very nicely organized French fries there, Rob.
All right, I'm gonna pass that over to you to get a little.
Shaken.
Oh my god.
Oh,
That looks disgusting. I love
that's
it.
crazy.
Wow.
Can I do purple?
Getting crazy in this kitchen.
Oh, this looks like crap.
Wow, look at that rainbow.
Wow.
What do you think? What do you think?
What do you think? I'm not sure if you're making fun of me or if you're my friend.
No, we love you.
Making fun of you.
Guys,
What? Hey. Let's make some gravy. You got to get a close up of the nails on the.
Oh.
Yeah, look at that. Oh, that's nice.
Wait, what's on your other hand?
It's chipping, so
nothing. Mélange à sauce pour poutine.
So
There you go.
sexy.
Can you say that?
Mélange à sauce pour poutine.
That was pretty good. Rob, you try.
Mélange sauce pour débit.
What?
I don't know.
Yeah, we need the whisk. Are you gonna be our whisker?
You got 17 minutes. It says you got to stir that for.
Stir it up.
We got our oil here heated up to 190 degrees Celsius. No idea what that is in Fahrenheit. Look at those yellow French Canadian fries.
You got the fire extinguisher.
Look at that.
We should turn the fan on.
Hope we don't need this.
Oh no, oh no! We're never gonna be allowed back to their house ever again.
Whew, that was close.
Okay, now this is getting thick. Oh, you get that? You get that butter?
Hey, yeah.
I'm impressed.
Oh my god. Yeah, that's not. Oh,
Yep, I don't know.
You want some help there?
All right, everybody back up. Yeah. All right. So we got another 8, 16, 32 minutes worth of frying French fries here.
The fries look amazing.
Yeah, I don't know what to do now though. So I'm gonna leave it up to our Canadian brethren.
So I'm thinking fries, cheese curds, gravy.
And the sprinkles, what do we do with those?
You always have to take things too far, eh?
Yeah, that's the thing. Yeah.
Why don't you go watch...
You guys decide.
You guys watch some tea spill. Get out of here.
Oh, there we watched that.
Yeah.
12 seconds later.
You have to do it in the gradient of the rainbow, though.
You came back. I don't understand. I don't understand. Red,
orange.
Blue is right beside the green.
Then you end with the...
Make sure you get
No.
There you go.
Yes, that looks
much better.
Yeah.
Yeah,
He's
look
learning.
at that. Wow.
That does look cool.
I like that.
Okay.
Now we take these, right?
There you go.
This is an
This
easy.
looks too good.
This is an easy million views right here.
Wow.
Looks like Barney. Barney got cut up.
This.
That looks good.
All right.
Here goes the gravy. Oh, that's not bad.
Oh, it actually is not bad for that gravy.
Oh my god.
Need more gravy.
In Poutine Mountain over here.
I approve.
Damn.
Wow.
Oh.
What?
Yeah.
This looks healthy.
We did it.
We did it!
That looks great.
Oh, neato.
I know like some traditionalists are gonna be pretty upset by this, but you know, them.
Times are a-changing.
This is weird that everybody's touching each other. Should we
It
just
is
all
weird.
use
This
our
is
little line here. Hey.
The gravy train.
It's the thumbnail.
Okay, that's weird.
All right, well, let's dig
Okay.
in. Oh, here it is.
Oh, I don't know. No cheese
There
pull.
it is, there it is, there it is. We got a little bit.
Oh my god.
Oh.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That tastes right. I'm actually surprised this doesn't taste like garbage.
I'm not mad at it.
Do all the colors taste different?
This tastes like banana.
Ben!
Let me get in there.
There's a little cheese pull. Nope. Oh yeah, look at that shit.
It looks so pretty. Wow.
That is some rainbow shit.
You're gonna have rainbow later too, which is nice.
Did you feed them?
No,
wait, yeah, you
no,
gotta
they gotta get a
What
little.
color?
Yeah, here, take a little bit of that. Take a little bit, whoa, hey, enough, you're gonna choke. Ooh, yeah. Just wanted to thank you guys.
Canada was happy to have you. Honestly,
too.
you guys look so trendy. You look like amazing.
I will be wearing sweatpants every day henceforth.
What did I tell you? Sweatpants life is the only life.
It is.
Don't we all look good? We look like a family. You look more like
I don't know.
dad.
You look like a dad.
Is it over?
Yes.
That's it. We did it. All right.
Do the 4 people giving the middle thing.
We're just like the Kardashians.
What?
Oh, this is our picture.
Our birthday picture.
Subscribe, and we'll see you later.
Just have this with like some dorky music playing. Look at these cute tours. Feed it to me, Ben. Nom, 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 nom. Give me that tail.
Is that how you do ThreadBanger videos?
No, 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 you got it. I'm trying. Am I hired?
Yes.
Hire me, please. Thanks. Bye.